Hello, everybody out there. Good day to you, wherever it is that you are streaming from. Today is a very good, happy day, and this is a new week starting from the 14th of August. Starting from the 14th of August, and this is a new week. And this is Smart Kid Rich Kid channel, and it's your boy Frank here once again, aka Mr. Lawful, aka the US 30 King. So thank you very much for tuning in into this channel once again. And if you are new here, please just make sure you smash that subscription button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that any other wonderful videos that we post, you will not miss out. You and you will be the very first person to get it. So with that much being said, today we are going to look at the weekly outlook of some few trading pairs today. So that is what we are going to look at. I'm going to be talking about three or four of the pairs that I am looking at for this week, for you also to be very conversant with. So let's go into it. As you can see on my screen, I have the DYDS. This is the US dollar index, and I have my structure, a very neat chart that you can see over here. So let's move on. Let's look at it. First thing we are going to look at, the first coin we are going to look out for, because I am a swing trader, I always want to go with a higher time frame, So as you can see in this what is it called on the screen, you can see that I have opened USD JPY, and I have my structure. Now let's look at this. Let's look at where this structure is coming from and how far this structure has done. So that is it. So as you can see, it has been in an uptrend. So the market has been in an uptrend from here, and it is still just moving on. It is still moving on, and that is it. So what am I expecting for this week? And as you can see, it has been making higher low, lower highs, and all those things. And you can see a structure over here, which is actually preventing this market from moving higher. It's preventing the market from moving higher because this structure is being respected from the previous from the previous market structure that was around here. So I'm going to be very quick with everything. So as you can see, this is it. So it is somewhere around here. So it is respecting that. So as it is respecting that, we want to wait. So that we know what the market is doing. At least let the market come to you, my dear. Let the market come to you. Don't force the market. Don't force the market, because this market cannot be predicted. This market can either give you money or take money from you, because the market is always willing and always ready to do that. So you should know. So now that I have this structure, I know that there is one or two things that can happen. So what am I looking for? Since we are in an uptrend, I should be my first buyer should be on the on a buy. So I'm seriously looking at something, and this is a structure right here. There is a structure here, right here, as you can see. So from this structure over here, I'm looking for a break and a close. So this candlestick over here, today is Monday. This candlestick, I'm just waiting for this candlestick to close, break and close above this. Then tomorrow we can start, we can buy into this and start making a very good money upwards. So that is it. So over here, you should be expecting well, when you enter the market tomorrow, your stop loss should be set in this manner of way. If you want to be a little bit aggressive, your stop loss can be somewhere around here, and that is about 240 pips, and then your first take profit could be at the top over here, and then you can also take it higher, or you just leave it that way, because when it gets into this, there is a structure here, it's going to bounce back before it climbs. So that should be your first take profit. Or if you want to be like me, then we are going to leave it into the market until we see the possible reversal patterns of the market before we can get out of the market. So that is it for USDJPY. So let's move on to the next coin. The next coin we are going to be looking at, what is it called? The Eurusd. Eurusd. So Eurusd has been, this is a daily chart, okay? Because I'm trading on a weekly time frame, because I, you know, I'm a swing trader. So that is what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, it has been at least there is a zone over here, there is a zone here, and there is a zone over here, and there is a zone over here. So this zone right now is being respected. This one here is being respected right here. So what am I looking for? I'm going to be looking for this market is already in the uptrend, okay? Yeah, it's in the uptrend because this is a daily time frame. You should know it's in the uptrend already. So what am I looking for when I am going to trade Euro USD, sorry, this week? This is what I'm going to be looking at. I am going to be looking at a break of this structure right here. I'm going to be looking at a break of this structure right here before I can boldly enter this market. Before I can boldly enter the market. So let me change the color. It's there. So that is it. So if it breaks down this level, then I am in. But if it doesn't break down this level, then I know it has been ranging here for some time. So I should be looking at a break above this level, this red structure over here, because there is this structure over here and there is this structure over here. So this market is actually ranging in between these two structure. So it is either we break this structure to the top over here and get a very nice close above it, and then we can continue, or we just get it to the bottom, we break it down and get a close over here, then we can gladly say that the market is moving to the bottom. So that is it for what is it called, Euro USD. As you can see, that is it for Euro USD for now. So let's move on to the next coin. I don't want this video to be too long. Let's move on to the next coin. What is the next coin? The next pair is JPY, GBPUSD. So as you can see, I have already done whatever I need to do, and I'm looking out for whatever I am looking out for. So as you can see, there is a little bit of a little bit of kind of structures that have been broken, because you can already see that GBPUSD is already moving in the upward direction. Is that okay? So the trend is clear. It's very, very clear, because it's moving right from here and then it's moving. So what are we looking out for? So I saw this structure over here. It came back and bounced into the line, and then the structure was broken. So as the structure was broken, it went back and then make another higher high and then higher lows over here, and then this structure over here was broken again. So the structure was broken to the top, and now this is another structure over here, but then it couldn't continue to the top. So what I was actually expecting was a bounce of this structure over here, like it actually did. It actually took us a little bit for 2 days, and then brought us back again into our loss and took us out of the market. So that is it. So now we can see that there is a structure over here, and there is another structure over here too. So what am I looking for? I'm just looking for either we break to the top over here, then I can say this market is continuing to the top, or we break to the down over here, a candlestick break and close below this structure over here, then I can say that we are moving to the bottom. And moreover, as you can see, a very beautiful head and shoulder, a very beautiful head and shoulder pattern that is being formed over here, which signifies that this market could be a reverse what? A reversal market or a reversed market. So you should be very, very careful, and then you should be very, very cautious when you are trading, because this is the market and the market is autonomous. So please do not just jump into trade because you heard it from me that this thing is going to be dropping. These things that I'm doing right now is just for an advice. So thank you very much. Let's go into the next coin, the next pair. Sorry, why am I saying coin? It's because I have been trading what is it called, futures for some time. So let's move on to this. As you can see, the same thing is happening here. I think we have done this, or I didn't do it with you. Okay, so let's move on. As you can see, we were actually coming from the bottom to the top, and then we are making a higher high, higher low, and then onto here where the market started making a lot of structure or a lot of consolidation. So as you can see, so this is our last high over here, and we were expecting that, okay, this was supposed to come because this is the high. There is a break of structure over here. If you don't know market structure, you are going to be really, really suffering, because this is the only thing that can make you the money that you need to get. So as you can see, this structure over here, because this market moved right from here, this is a lower, a higher high. This one over here, it brought it down, and then it was broken over here, and then it has this long bar over here, which opened and closed, which broke. Look at that, which broke and closed above the structure. So as you can see, so this beautiful candlestick here is the break and close of the structure. Then we move on to the top, and then that is how far it went. So it came out to the height over here, came down to this low over here, and then to the top. So as you can see, this is the height we have over here. This height came down with this low and then move up. We were actually expecting another move down, but then it consolidated, then it gladly came down. So looking at this tweezer bottom, you may think this is it. Then you just enter the market and it goes in your favor, comes back there. You still don't have anything to be afraid of because you are still intact. Then it goes up, you are happy. Then it takes you out of the market. Now that it has taken you out of the market, it then rallied up to this and pull back. So as you can see, even here, the market was already making a higher high and a lower, because from this lower, higher low over here into this higher high, then you can see from a lower, because this low wasn't broken by this, so this is a lower high, and then it went into a higher high because it broke this structure. Then instead of coming and hanging somewhere around here, it then popped down into, I think this is by news or something like that. Then now we are moving. So as you can see, the next high is higher than this. Then we have this low, which is lower than this original low over here. Then we are moving forward. So I am looking for a close. This candlestick over here, to this candlestick should close above this structure. Then I can enter the market and then take my profit at least to the top, at least to the top. So these are some of the coins. If you're enjoying this, please go and then smash the like button for me, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also share this video so that it gets to friends and loved ones. Thank you very much. Let me see if there is any other coin that I can talk about. Gold. Yes, gold. I don't know, for those of you who love gold so much, this is the, what is it called? This is actually a bonus anyway. This is for gold. So as you can see, gold has been doing marvelously from the bottom coming to the top, and now it has been ranging in this aspect. So gold has a structure over here. That is the first structure over here. Then when you look up over here, we have another structure over here. We have another structure over here, another one over here. And now this structure was broken, then it came into this one and then settled at the base of the first structure over here, and now it went up to the height of the second structure over here, and then it came down all over again. So what am I looking for? We can also say this market is ranging, so this market could go back up over here and come back and break above it and then move on, or just come back over here. Or better still, we can say that gold is going to what? Is going to break down here this week. So when it breaks below this structure over here, when it breaks below and then close below this structure, then I know that the time is right for me to sell gold. The time is right for me to sell gold. So these are the things I'm looking at. And now let's go on to almighty US30. Almighty US30. As you can see, US30 after the first impulse move, and it has been rangy for some weeks now. I think about a month now. It has been rangy. So that is it. So as you can see over here, we have all these what is it called? All this structure that you are seeing over here right now, and then it has been rangy. So what do? We are going to wait patiently for the market to come to us. Always remember that we are waiting patiently for the market to come to us, because this market may either break down from this and close on this. So when it breaks down and close below, then I know that I'm coming into the original zone, which is the retouch of the major zone over here. Then we can now bounce off. That is where we are going to be catching the what is it called? That is where we are going to be making a whole lot of money. This is what will help a lot of followers to pass their prop firm account, and then because we are aiming at 1,879 pips. So that is what we'll be aiming at. Or better still, if it breaks down or breaks up here, then breaks this structure, then I can tell you that we are going straight to the top. So stay tuned, and then make sure you like this, you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also make sure that you take this and share it with other people. Thank you very much. It's a bye for now.